Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name is Lawrence.
And I'm Natalie.
And Natalie is so excited for this. So we are at General RV in Ocala, and we were here a few weeks ago, did some rig reviews and tours, and now Stan, our sales guy, kind of understands what we want. So since we've been gone, we've come back because he has suggested we might like this.
Well, he is not taking credit for this.
Really?
I found this one.
Oh, this is the one you found?
Yes.
Okay. Natalie is very excited. Natalie found this, and Stan has brought it here. Sorry, Stan. Useless. You're useless, Stan.
He did suggest the last one.
He did.
That was cute.
Okay. All right. Anyway, so we're going to take a look at this. Natalie's going to tell us all about it because she's very excited about it. So let's go check it out.
It makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
Gosh, does that not
Nice
go back?
steps.
There's a bit more, it's not so much of a height.
Just going to check out the batteries quick.
Bigger than I thought, actually. Ow, no, floor vents.
Oh, it's got floor vents.
Oh, for goodness sake, we can't win.
Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, it's like 10:30 in the morning and the AC is on and I don't care. I'm sorry. I'm going to watch this back and be annoyed
What?
with the sound, but the AC is on. It's so hot.
Oh, okay. Well, let me close this.
All right. So here we are. What is this, Natalie? This is the...
Well, I thought it was called the Vista 34R, but it's
Right.
also called the Sun...
It's called the Sunstar
Sunstar, okay.
34R, but I think it's also known as the Vista.
Yes.
They're identical.
Yes.
All right, so do you want to... Right, the driving position is back on a Ford. Oh, he even has the engine running with the AC. It must have been really hot in here. All right, there's no, I don't see the, oh, here's the auto leveling. So it does have auto leveling. You also have a thing here for a table. That's kind of cool. Nice driving position. So we do have a little desk space here whilst we're driving. Some cool storage there as well. Really nice chairs, actually. They look really good. Okay, so this has opposing slides here. So let's switch round so everyone can get a decent view. Right, so we have the sofa here.
TV placement's good?
It's manual. So yeah, oh, that's perfect. Really, really good.
Yeah.
That is a 10 for TV placement. You have USB here as well. We have the bench. This is on a telescoping thing. So this comes down, turns into a bed. There's no storage access here.
This is massive boot.
So I guess, so there is storage underneath, but you can't get to it from the side. Okay. Am I missing anything?
No. I like the cabinetry. I like colour.
Yeah, it's nice
light,
actually.
But
Yeah.
it still looks kind of old
Nice little
world.
touch with drawers like this. Okay, double sink with the extender. That's cool. Loads of space here. 3 burner with an oven, which normally means this isn't a convection, which it is not. There's that huge fridge. Huge. I don't know how that locking thing works, but it is a huge fridge with a slide out freezer.
Nice.
This is nice
Coffee station.
because everyone, well not everyone, but most people have some kind of coffee station. So this is perfect for that because it's always in the way by the sink. You also have your control panel here so you can control your lights and do all of that stuff. I did miss one thing. This bed comes down.
Oh yeah.
So I don't know where the button is, but yeah, that's, you can use that as storage, but it comes all the way down. Okay, I guess these would be pantries. You do have other pantries and stuff here. Oh, I missed this door. Oh, a jacket, okay. So this goes all the way through to the bedroom. Now Matt doesn't like these round showers, and I'm not sure why. We've never had one. So can we have your opinions, please, on why people would not like this?
I like it. We have one in our house.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. Height-wise, not great, but it's fine. I'm 5'10". You can, if you're 6 foot, you can easily fit in here. Got plenty of space. I don't like the seat.
Oh yeah, that's weird.
I mean, I'm assuming ladies do to shave your legs or whatever you do.
Yes, excellent point, Lawrence.
I mean, I can sit on it and still fit, but I don't know. I don't like that. I prefer that seat wasn't there, but that's just me. All right, so the sinks are nice, everything. That's not a cabinet, just a mirror. You have a medicine cabinet here, and perfectly I mean, it is on a raised thing, so but I quite like it. We're getting old now. I don't want to have to sit down too low. So yeah, that's perfect. I like it. Okay. All right, we have 2 closets or pantries. Well, I guess these are a bit of both. Right, the AC is loud in here, so hopefully you can hear me. But we have. Okay, there's our table for the front. Some other little things here, a lot of accessories. You can get a sewer hose by the looks of it. TV, so I'm assuming. Oh, that's cool. So if you have an Xbox or anything like that, you can store it in here. Junk cables, I know this would be my junk cabinet.
Oh gosh.
Really, really good TV, doesn't break. Sorry, Stan. That's weird, you'd think they'd have soft close or something on it.
Yeah, that's a bit ridiculous.
Oh, it looks like it's a smart TV as well, that's cool. Alright, so on each one of these there are little shelves. So that's handy for whatever. I think it's for CPAPs because there's power on each of them as well. So here,
You stood at this
if this is the one, right?
This is the one.
Okay, check this out. Bed goes up. You now have a workstation. So come, sit with me. So here's why this is important. We realise that we have a bedroom, and I know the AC's on, I'm loving it. No, it's fine. They will have to deal with it. Right, so we have our bedroom at the front on our travel trailer, the bathroom, the kitchen living area, and then a bunkhouse which is my office. And it's stupid because I'm either in the bedroom or the office. And once we come out the bedroom in the morning, we don't ever go in there for the rest of the day. So it's kind of a wasted space. But at the same time, I use the office during the day and I never go in there at night. So this is perfect. Because
this is much bigger than I thought as well, which is nice.
There are rare occasions, maybe you're really, really sick or whatever, and you want to sleep all day.
But we got the other bed out there.
We do have another bed out there, or I could, you know, so anyway, I love this idea, Winnebago, you are geniuses. My only thing is that I do sit here for a long time every day, and I'm not sure these benches are going to be great.
No, so I was thinking you can definitely get an office chair here, but you would have to move this leg in.
So I could kind of put an office chair here, but it's still a bit low, I think.
Oh, well, I mean, you can move it. If it's something we're keeping for a while, we could
customise this.
Customise it,
Anyway, so this is the reason why Natalie's very excited about this, because I think it would work perfectly for us.
Yeah, I'm so excited. And the price isn't terrible as well.
So what is the price? I don't know.
$140.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's sale price though.
I think so.
Yeah, because otherwise MSRP.
But I mean, there's older ones that are more around the 100 mark.
Okay. No, I mean this is really good. I could easily use this. We can shut the door off and everything. So, yeah. No, I'm very impressed with this. It's great.
Should we give it a break, guys? Go look at the outside.
Let's go look at the outside real quick because it is so hot today. So I'm just going to run around real quick, then we'll come back in and we'll do the ratings.
Yay.
Natalie just noticed something. Natalie hates about every single RV there's nowhere to put your shoes. This has a shoe rack underneath here. So yes, you have to lift up the bed. You don't need this table, you can hide that. But yeah, so there is a shoe rack here. She's very excited about it, and a huge drawer there for stuff. So, okay?
Yes.
Before we go outside, Natalie just mentioned something important here. So, now could you stand over there just to get a wide view? So there are 2 slides here. This one goes all the way down the side of the coach. It's about that deep. This one is just for this section here. So the edge of the thing is here. So in theory, when you're going down the road, you would have access to the fridge, you would have access to the bathroom, because this slide will come in, but I think you'd have access to the bedroom through the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
So you still do, because this will come in, so that will be the bottom of the bed. So, so you can use the fridge, bathroom and bedroom, even with the slides in.
Okay, cool. The problem I'm trying to solve here is where OP's crate is going to go whilst we're travelling. Jax will sit wherever, he'll probably be sound asleep on the sofa. Yeah. This might just be enough room. I don't think...
It'd be right in the way here, so I don't know if they can...
Would you? Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's right in the way, so if we ever wanted to come back, so we can, I can show you actually, like, so what I said was correct. You can come all the way through. You've got access to the fridge, you've got access to the bathroom, and you have access to the bedroom. Obviously you don't have access to the drawers and things because it hits the bed there,
but we don't want to put open the back because then it's going to bump around.
No, so. But I mean he could go here.
Oh, yeah, true.
In the kitchen.
Or we could makeshift like a little box to go on the steps.
Yeah.
A little shelf.
Well, that isn't safe. This is the only door. So if we have to get out quick, that's not going to work. So we just have to take this lovely booth out. Well, I don't know if this table can actually come out completely. That, I mean, you could unscrew that and then have his crate in here, I guess. I still think it would look better with a smaller desk, a smaller table and chairs. And then it is. Well, this is all just going to be screwed down, so we could completely customise all of this. Yeah, as much as I love it, I think it's pointless. However, that then will change our entertainment. No, it wouldn't, because actually it'd be better because the TV's over there. So if we're playing Jackbox, so let's judge this on Jackbox, we can take our chairs from the table chairs and put them over here so we can all see the TV. Yeah, that's true. Oh, so much to think about, Lawrence. Alright, let's go outside. Okay, first thing, we'll start at the door. Obviously you have the retractable steps that Natalie said she doesn't like. I think they're cool. They're a bit slower than I'd like. You have a pet hookup again. It's just a little thing. Camera system. This is the front engine bay. I'm not going to go look at that in case there's a spider there. I love the lights. Like they're upgraded lights with like carbon fibre effect. Okay, moving around, camera system, big mirrors. This is the slide for the booth. Propane. They are all slam latches. Loads of storage, goes all the way through again. For your fishing ones. This is your water bay. Standard stuff, whole house filter, normal stuff. This. More storage. This is your gas hookup, power hookup, generator that is running. Sorry about that. It's a 5500 watt Onum generator. Didn't even see this. Storage under the bed. One thing I wanted to say though now is back here. This is the booth, so if you wanted to take this out, there's no. One of my concerns was that there was storage under the chairs from the outside, but there isn't. Okay. Which means that the booth is just built there. Good. Okay, we have the exhaust for the generator, half ladder, the water heater, I think. Loads of storage. It's because it's new, so the seals are all. The seals are so new that they need some wear on them. Which is good because if it was shut perfectly, then after a few months, there's no seal around it. Okay, all the way through again. Oh, what's this? Random. Wow. If anyone knows what this is for, please let me know. Don't know what you would even use that for. No, that's so high. I just got splashed in the face. Okay, this is access to your tanks, battery disconnect. So this would be a great place if you were putting new batteries in probably, because you have the battery access there. So, there's power outlets. Then finally, more storage. And TV, obviously. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, we got TV, but it's locked. Okay. So there is an outdoor TV. Can we go back inside and do the next bit? Yes. All right, my favourite bit. Man, it is so hot today in Florida. This is insane. So we have got the AC going as always. Right, so let's go, Natalie. Let's our scoring. Affordability. What was it, like 140? Yeah, he could get the older model for like 130. Well, I think that's excellent for what it is. Me too. But affordability wise it's not great, but I think it's really good value for that money. Yeah. It's very comparable to like a $400,000 rig. Yeah. Admittedly it's gas, not diesel, which makes a big difference. So I don't know, I'm a bit confused. Maybe about 7? Okay, alright. Quality. I think it's really good.
Yeah, I do too.
I haven't seen any issues with anything on this. So
Winnebago is just known for good quality stuff and great warranty and everything as well. So
yeah, so I don't know. I'd say probably an 8.
Nice. Okay.
I think it's really good.
Attractiveness.
I really like it.
Yeah,
I like the inside and outside. I think they've done a great job.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say a 9.
Wow, that's the highest one we've had. Ease of transport. I like that it's short. It's 34 foot. So
yep.
36 with all the bells and whistles, whatever. And longer if we tow a vehicle.
Yeah.
But it's 34 foot, so that's a nice size.
Yeah, it's not too massive. So yeah, I don't know. I'd say probably an 8.
Yeah.
9 maybe.
All right. Space for dogs.
Yes.
But we have to take
we
stuff
may
out.
need to do some modifications and figure out where Opie's crate will go.
Yes.
So I would probably say, what, a 7?
Yeah, I agree. All right, private office space.
Yeah,
Yay!
really good. I'm going to say a 9.
Yeah, because you can shut the door and you've got loads of space.
My only concern is sat there for 8 hours a day, somehow get an office chair. It's better than it looks, actually. It's more comfortable than I thought it was going to be.
Inside space for socialisation. Now, I'm going to rate this low unless we do our idea of ripping out this booth.
I don't know. No, I think it's good. I think it's good either way for socialising.
Okay, if you're not watching the TV, then yes.
If you're not watching TV, yeah. But we can get 3 people on that.
True.
So I'm going to say an 8.
Yeah, actually no. Okay, I agree. I'm thinking of Jackbox. All right, off-grid capabilities.
It's got generator. So I'm going to say whatever we gave the last one. What was it, 7?
Yes.
I don't think it has solar or anything.
Okay. TV placement. Ding.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
10.
Setup and tear down.
I think it only has the 1 black tank, so that's easy. It's got auto leveling. I'm going to say this is probably about as easy as it gets, I think.
Yeah, 9?
9. I think there may be something on something that might be a bit better, but yeah, 9.
Nice!
We're done.
I'm excited. We're done. Now we're going to go do something really scary.
Well, no spoilers, but we really love this.
We do.
It is out of our price range is the problem. So unless we get a used one, maybe. I don't know how old they are when they first started building these, but yeah, we do love this. But you will see coming up, we're going to find out whether we can drive it. That's the biggest thing.
Yeah.
So anyway, wait. Just stay tuned on that one. Just stay tuned. All right, cool. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments you have, anything you thought of, we really appreciate all your comments. Everyone's been very helpful with our search for our next rig. So any comments that you have, anything we haven't thought about would be fantastic. So don't forget to hit the thanks button. Natalie loves it when you do that. Hit if you'd like to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits, Natalie and myself, you can hit the join button. Thank you very much for watching. We'll be back next week either with a rig tour or something similar.